All right, guys, we're back here. We're working on the vet. We did the muffler delete has now been deleted. I had to put a set of mufflers on it. It was just too freaking rowdy for me. I mean, if I just didn't feel like hearing all that driving around, and it was just too noisy. And another reason why I got rid of the muffler delete was there was two pretty much brand new 84 C4 Corvette mufflers for sale on Facebook for $80 in the box. So I threw them on. Let's take a look. Whoa. There we go. So, yeah. $80. You can't go wrong here. You know? So, I threw these things on. It looks like they were put on but taken right off because this had a cut in it, a notch. You cut this open here, so I just welded it together when I put it on. It actually sounds pretty good, these mufflers. So, here we go. We got those on here. I'm about to paint everything black right now. I picked up some VHT high temperature black paint. Another thing too is I got the spare tire cover on finally. We got that. No spare tire, but I got the cover. I just have to keep looking around till I can find a spare tire. Or I might just order a brand new one. I don't know if I can order a new one with the rim at a reasonable price. Otherwise, I'll just buy a used spare tire and then bring it in and see if I can get a new tire for that. Because, what is it? 40-year-old car, 35-year-old car, whatever it is. The rubber's no good on whatever tire you buy. So I got to look at the spare tires. I haven't had a chance to do that yet. So yeah, we're all on here. Sounds actually pretty good. They're pretty raspy, these mufflers. I don't know what brand they are. But they're pretty good. They're made good. They're all welded together already. Everything fit perfectly on it. So yeah, let's let me get these sprayed up and then we'll start it up. Take a listen. It actually sounds pretty good. So hold on. All right, we're back. I got her all nicely painted black. Let's take a look at it. There we go. Nice. I even did all the pipes all the way down there. Kind of ran out of paint, but it looks pretty good. We use the, what is it here? VHT header paint. What's it say? 1,300 to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So these mufflers, you're lucky to get to like 200 degrees. So this paint should be fine. I used it before. What happens is we got to start it up, and when it warms up and the exhaust gets warm, it'll bake onto the pipes. It's exactly what this stuff is meant to do. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. We got everything, sides. So yeah, pretty good. I plan on getting some black tips to slide onto here. I just haven't had a chance to really dig through the lit. You just Google it and it'll give you a million different sizes of exhaust tips. I'm probably gonna get some round ones, something nice that goes on each one of these. Slide it on. It'll look pretty cool. I just haven't gotten that far yet. So there you go. We'll start it up here in a second. See how she sounds. And it does sound pretty good, I will say that. One other thing I wanted to show what's coming up on the future of this car. Anyone remember when I did the transmission fluid and the radiator? When I changed, I put the 3-quart radiator in here. It had a rusted line somebody like glued together underneath a motor mount. I got a new tranny line for it, so I got to put that on. So that's coming up next. Also in the near future, I picked up these beauties. Nice roller tip 1/6 rockers. We're going to be throwing these on. I just have to order a, what do you call it, valve cover gasket. And I want to get longer studs for the valve covers, or longer bolts, because I'm going to put a thicker valve cover on. I'm going to get one of the blue Felpro. And they're just too short, the studs that are on this. The bolts that are on the valve covers already. So I got to get a Pick up valve covers and longer bolts, which I have a place called Nutty Company right around that over here in Milford, Connecticut. And they have all, you can just go in there and buy it. It'd be like $6, $4 probably for the 8 bolts that I need. If I were to order them online, they want $30. You see what I mean? So we're going to order those up. Then this is going to be, transmission line's going to get replaced. These are going in. And then I bought this nice little tool. My nice Dremel. Bought some bits. Nice bits right here. Probably not enough. I'll probably need another case or 2 of these. And if we look down here, I've been meaning to get to this all winter long. I just haven't had a chance to get to it yet. But there's a fresh set, not a fresh set, a 40,000 mile set of 8A2 heads that came on a 84 350. These are actually off another 84 Corvette engine, which I actually have a video of me disassembling, me and my buddy Mike. And I also have a Crossfire unit right here. Same engine, low miles. And I'm going to pull that apart, and I want it port and polished. There's a guy on YouTube that has a good video showing how to do this. I forget his name. I think it's I'd Rather Be Boating. I'm not sure. I forget. But yeah, he did a pretty good job. I'm going to try to copy him, emulate his actions. See if I can get this thing to, make a little more power. But like I said, for the meantime, we're just going to put the 1.6 rockers transmission line on. And then this project down there, as far as porting, polishing the heads and the intake, we'll see how it goes. That's a time-consuming job right there. So I have to fit some time into it. All right, so we're back over here. Let me grab the keys. And we'll start her up, see how she sounds. So hold on. Yeah, let's start her up. This is a cold start. It hasn't been started in few days, I'd say. But I actually like the sound of these mufflers. They're kind of like an old school thrush muffler sound. We'll let it warm up a second or two. Much quieter. All right, yeah, so that's it. I think she sounds pretty good for whatever those mufflers are. Who knows? I don't know. I forget what the box said. They were in the boxes. They threw them out. At any rate, yeah, so that's it. That's all we're going to do in this video right here. It's one of those nice, gloomy, rainy Saturday afternoons here, you know. It's like 40 degrees here in Connecticut, you know. Nice. So, yeah, that's it. Next video will be who knows when. Transmission line and rockers are coming up next, but I don't think I'll make a video on the transmission line. There's really nothing to that. Rockers will probably be the next video as far as this car goes. So, yeah, and there we have it. So we'll leave it at that. All right, guys? We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Give me some of that chocho. Where are you at?